videos. I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of yourself and your family members. So guys, I want to share something. It's really unusual, but it is having an impact. So this is related to real estate in Canada. So guys, through my various videos and examples, I have shown you that how real estate is going on here in Canada, where prices are literally crashing, okay, or downward or correction, whatever term you want to use, okay. Now many people are in a very difficult situation. Now we are in 2025 and many those who had purchased their house back in 2020, 21, 22, I mean most of them will have their renewals next year or so, okay. A crisis is awaiting them. I'm not talking about higher mortgage payments because of higher interest rate. Those things you guys are aware. But there's another crisis that is leading a lot of people into depression, domestic disturbance, fights among family members, and stress, anxiety, any bad term you use. You know what it is? Let me cite an example you will understand. Let's say you purchased a house at 1.5 million, okay, back in 2020, and you have been paying mortgage, okay. Now it's coming up for renewal, okay, and you are gonna pay higher amount because of high interest rate. Yeah, we know that. But there's another thing. When you purchased this house in 2020, what was its value? Let's say 1.5 million. Today, it might be 1 million. And how much mortgage principal is remaining? 1.3, 1.2, 1.25, whatever. I'm just saying. So, what does it mean? Two bad things. Number one, the mortgage you have on your property is higher than the value of your actual property. Second, for the same property at the renewal time, you are going to pay much higher. So like double hit. And it's not just a unique case. Literally many families are struggling with this. And as I said, like people are getting very bad thoughts, very bad situations about it. So this is why guys, we should not overrate something too much. That's beyond our expectation, beyond our capabilities. Just because what professionals say, what you see in market, no. What you can afford is something you should go. In my native country, people say that you should spread your leg only that much that you can cover up with a bed sheet, okay. You should not be a breach that. Otherwise, situations like this may surface. Now imagine someone trapped in this situation that I cited to you. Mortgage value higher than current mortgage value higher than the cost of the house plus higher payment. Now what option you have? If you try to sell, what are you gonna get? What's gonna happen? Even if, let's say, the same example, if the house is sold at 1 million, there will be commissions of real estate. Even if you don't use a realtor, still there will be cost, right? Legal fee and other taxes, everything, right? So renovation, showing, everything needs money, right? So again, that's gonna have an impact. And even that house is sold, you will be paying some penalties, and on top of that, this gap, let's say $300,000, still you're gonna owe it, right? How you're gonna pay for it? And already you might have paid hundreds of thousands of dollars already, right? So basically people have like this is a equity problem, and this is happening. Now again, I don't have any solution for this problem, to be honest, and I don't want to say something that I'm not sure. Of course, there are professionals you can always seek guidance from, but select your professionals very carefully, because a lot of these people, those who are struggling now, have been led to this problem by many unscrupulous professionals too. So select your professionals very carefully. Coming to the solution, so what I would suggest, if you can hold on your house, hold it, because nothing is permanent. If something is going down today, at one point it's gonna stop going down, it's gonna stabilize, and then slowly it's gonna come up. So maybe 10 years down the line, it may neutralize the impact, and it may even give you some profit. At least you will not regret your decision. Now still someone would say that, oh, if I would have invested the same amount of money elsewhere in a mutual fund or GIC something. GIC definitely is like fixed. You know what's gonna come back. But mutual fund and I don't want to go into that. But anyway, people may say that if you would have invested this money somewhere else, you might have made a lot more. So guys, life is always like this. It's not the end of the story. Like, keep what you can, and definitely you'll do good in future. And don't take too much stress, anxiety, because that's not going to help you at all with the situation. That will only exacerbate the situation for you and for your family members. So hopefully you guys will come out it, whoever is trapped in this. That's what I want to say in this video. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.